everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome to my channel. And I see I have quite a few new subscribers. Welcome. And today I want to show you this baby blanket that I showed you, I don't know, last week. I have it finished. Actually, it goes this way. I completed it. All the ends are sewn in. So I just, I want to wash it, and then this is for my neighbor who had a baby in December. She doesn't know, I don't think she knows I crochet. She doesn't know she's getting a blanket. So I made a little border around it. It's just, what is it? Double crochet 5 in the same spot, and then skip a couple of stitches, and then put a single crochet, skip a couple, put the 5 double crochets in the same spot. And I did that all the way around, and at the corners I did the 5 double crochets, chain 2, and then 5 double crochets, and skip a couple of stitches, put a single crochet, and then go back to the 5 double crochet. I guess it's like a fan stitch. Yeah, so that's what I did around the border. And first I did a single crochet row of the colored yarn. And yeah, so I have a tutorial for this stitch tutorial. So I'll link that below. But I absolutely love this stitch. Love it. And it's so squishy. And on the other side, it looks similar, almost the same. It's like a 3D kind of effect. Yeah, so let me stand back here. Oh, of course, my chair's in the way. So this is it. And it measures, what does it measure? 32 inches across by 27.5 inches down long. Yeah, so the yarn I used for this, I talked about it in the video last week. This was gifted to me from the lovely Terry. It's by So Crafty, double knit yarn. The color is ecru. Color number is K013, 100% acrylic, approximately 300 meters in here. And this is UK yarn, I believe. Yeah. Produced in Turkey for Aldi Stores Limited. Yeah, it's a really nice yarn to work with. It's a 3-weight. So that's what this is, the one that looks white. They call it ecru, and I used less than one because I had some left over from another project, and then this is what I have left of the leftover. So I guess you would only need one to make this size. And then also, are you guys crooked? Why are you crooked? Or maybe I'm crooked. Anyway. Anyway, so then for the other yarn, Terry also gifted it to me. It's the Knitting Essentials Double Knitting. And it's also classified as a 3-weight, 50 grams, 100% acrylic. Color is called Bright Pink, and it's different colors. Different colors come in the ball. And so, yeah. And I put 5 rows of the ecru and then 3 rows of the other one I just mentioned, which was what? Bright pink. This is what I have left of, I used 2 balls, and this is the what I had left of the 3rd one. So I just caked it up into this cute little ball. Yeah. So I didn't think I'd have enough to go all the way around again, even with another single crochet. I don't know, maybe I would have, I don't know. I didn't try. But yeah, so this is it. It's all done. I just want to wash it. It's acrylic, it should wash well. They're both acrylic. And did I say that? Gorgeous baby, it says on some of these, and on other ones it says bright pink. But seems like the same colorway. Yeah, 100% acrylic on both of them. So there you go, baby blanket, all done. It's soft. Probably soften up a little bit more when it's washed, right? So that's that. I'd really like to film her when I give it to her, but I don't know if I should even ask. I don't know. But anyway, done. Okay, so let's talk about this top I'm wearing. This was designed by myself and Teresa at Craving Crochet. She had asked me if we could design something together. So I came up with this. I just designed, she's got these things all the way around the straps. I designed it up to this point, and then she designed the rest. So yeah, it's got this on the sides. And then she designed the bottom. She just continued on with the stitch I used, and then she put these little embellishments on there. So I will link the 2 tutorials below. So my tutorial is for half the top. Her tutorial is for the second half. So if you want to check that out. Yeah, I really like how it turned out. This was, I don't know, a year ago? Yeah, it was a year ago because we had it ready for the summertime. Or was that 2 years? No, I guess it was, I don't know, but they'll be linked below. Okay, so something I have, well, I'm working on a tutorial, but I'm always working on a tutorial. But this, I was in the chat of Krystal, the Yarny Chicken and Crazy Cat Lady. I was on her channel in the chat when she was having a live, and she gave away, I guess, a pattern of your choice from her Ravelry shop. So I picked, oh gee, I don't know the name of it off the top of my head, but it's a shawl. So I picked this. I already started on it, and oh, okay, so I'll show you. Look, it's one of those half moon or oval shawls. Look at the stitches. Okay, mine's curling a bit, but yeah, look at that. I love how it's working out. Love it. All right, so okay, the pattern. I unfortunately am not following the actual written pattern. I'm following the tutorial that she has on her channel. I'll link that. I'll link the pattern. It's a paid-for pattern. But now it has nothing to do with Krystal, why I'm not following the pattern. And I do have a little bit of a problem following patterns, but has nothing to do with that either. Oh my gosh. For a while now, I've been running low on printing paper. Print paper? Paper to print on. And so I had just a few sheets left. I thought, well, I can print on both sides. And so I tried to do that. And it was, well, I just tried to do the one side first, and then I was going to put it back in and do the other side. Well, I also ran out of ink in the process. So you can't read any of it. So, yeah. But I'm following her tutorial and her video tutorial. So, of course, I'll link that. But Krystal, this is such a pretty pattern. Pretty. Thank you, Krystal. And so what I'm using for yarn is and I couldn't find the center, so I'm working from the outside, so I am going to cake this up. But look at those beautiful pinks and grays. It has a bit of a fuzz on it. It's a hairy yarn, hairiness, a little bit, not much. But this is the EcoCom Stripes, made from recycled plastic. And this is a Loops and Threads, limited time only. I had bought 3 of these because they only had 3 left on the shelf, so I grabbed all 3. I couldn't leave one all by itself, so. 200 grams, 433 yards, and it's squishy. So because it's limited time, and I bought this quite a while ago. I don't know if they remade them or if anybody has any left. I don't know. But I'm hearing that, what's it called? I never go on there. eBay has, you can go on there and find yarns. People selling their stash, you know. I've never done it myself, but I've seen people get really good deals. And maybe get yarn that's limited time only, that's not in the stores anymore. Okay, what color is this? Rose gray. This is color number 01, rose gray. It's a medium 4. Excuse me a minute. Oh, okay. It's a medium 4, 60 recycled polyester, 15 polyester. Wait a minute. Why are they doing that? Yes, 60% recycled polyester, 15% polyester, 15% acrylic, 10% wool. Yeah, hand wash cold, do not bleach, dry flat, do not iron. Yeah. So this was the label. These were $11.99 here in Canada. They were on sale. I don't know what I paid. I don't remember. But it's nice to work with. I have not actually had to frog at all, so I can't tell you how it's like to frog. But it has that little bit of a halo, so there's a chance that it will tug a little bit. Yeah, so thank you, Krystal, for this, winning this pattern. I think it's so pretty. Love how this is working up. I had no idea it would work up like that. These colors are beautiful. Kind of like different pinkish, and there's brownish. Brownish. This is like a dark pink. I'm not that great with colors. There's some gray in there. The gray's right here. It's beautiful. All right. So, make sure you get your pictures in for that scrap yarn mystery crochet along I had going. I got lots of pictures already. Thank you so much, guys. I'm putting them into a special little folder on my phone. And yeah, I'm going to do a slideshow for that the first week of June. So yeah, make sure you have them in by the last day of May. I'm excited to make that slideshow. I mean, you guys, oh my gosh, your projects look so amazing. The different colors you used, and like 2 colors together in separate rows, but I mean, they look awesome. You guys did a great job, and I'm glad you enjoyed it. So I have that. I have, what else do we have? Christmas in July fairies will be coming up. We're going to have it again this year. And I think it starts in June, actually, but the draw will be in July, of course, because it's Christmas in July fairies. Gotta dust off my fairy wings. I do have fairy wings. And gee whiz, what else? November, oh my goodness, November will be my birthday, from November 15th to November 26th, which was my mom's birthday. I'm gonna have the everyday thing with, it's a giveaway. There'll be 3 winners in the end. Oh, Doris at Rose Cottage Studio and I are doing the Vlogmas at Christmas time. 25 days of gifts. Oh my gosh. You ever order something online and then you open it on video and then you realize, I can't really show this because it's a gift for someone and I want them to be surprised. That almost happened to me today. That happened to me a while back. I'm like, what is this? I don't remember what I ordered. It must be something I can show on my channel, and started doing video. And it was like, oh, I can't show this. This is a gift for someone. Well, I got a package today, which is a gift for Miss Doris at Rose Cottage Studio. So yeah, I can't show it on video. Nope. Because I want you to be surprised. Yeah, so what else? I don't know. So many things. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me and looking at my finished object and my WIP. And I will see you all again soon. This week again, probably. I don't know. All right, you guys, thank you so much. Thank you for being part of my YouTube family. You guys are so, so special to me. And just know that I pray for you all. And I'm so enjoying this. So guys, I'm going to put Krystal's link below to her Ravelry shop. So get your hands on one of these patterns. She has other patterns as well. This is crochet. All right. See you guys soon. Bye.